Our database will contain weather forecast entries. Our data model will use two tables. One table will be used to contain information about the location, while the other will contain the forecast data key to the locations. These will ultimately be tied back to our view through the contract and the content provider. We can use an inner join to pull the complete data for each forecast day, including all information about the location. This is a big contract. Note that we store the location ID, which will be a foreign key from the location table in column loc key. Note that the units aren't stored in the database. We expect all weather entries to be stored in metric units and converted when needed by the UI into imperial units. Since the column names don't actually contain data types, it's useful to annotate that in the variable names and/or the comments to make our contract more explicit.